Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video we show you the some crochet sling bag designs collection. These all collection are very useful. This collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet sling bag designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet sling bag designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet sling bag designs ideas collection. New ideas crochet sling bag designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet sling bag designs collection. Cute and stylish crochet white color bag design, so beautiful, and purple color crochet bag design ideas collection for women. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.